I'm so excited. My HiSmile just came in the mail. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing HiSmile teeth whitening. So excited for today's video because if you guys don't know what HiSmile is, they are just like known everywhere on social media. And when they emailed me and asked me to collaborate, I was like, sure, yeah, like how can I say no to this? I'm so excited because like Kylie Jenner, all those people have like used it and said that it's amazing. So I thought, why not review it on my channel and see if it really is what all these Instagram famous people say about it. So I wanted to test it out for 6 days and see if I could get any results out of it and give you guys an honest review / demo. So that's what I'm doing today. So before I talk about the teeth whitening kit, I'm going to be talking about their day and night toothpaste. I was excited when I got this. I did not know that I was going to be getting this. So when you open the package up, it comes with a day toothpaste and a night toothpaste. Obviously they are used. I have been using them for the last 6 days to see what I think about them. It says on the back of here, the day toothpaste is a micro shield wax. It has 5 key minerals: calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and phosphate. Has aloe vera in it. So this is just a good toothpaste for the morning time. So for the night toothpaste, it says it is bentonite clay, grapefruit seed extract, 5 key minerals. Has the same minerals, the calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and phosphate. Activated charcoal, aloe vera, perilla, ocyanide, seed extracts. I don't know how the crap you say that. So it says on here all the benefits. It says activated charcoal naturally whitens teeth. Micro shield wax prevents stains from occurring. Bentonite clay naturally detoxifies and remineralizes. It says aloe vera controls bacteria that causes cavities. Free from fluoride, SLS, and PEG. I don't know what that is. 5 key minerals included, key to maintain teeth health. So these toothpastes are really good to use, especially before you are going to be whitening your teeth. So now on to the teeth whitening kit. It is definitely used and abused. I've used it these last 6 days just to get my final thoughts on it. I've used these top 2 syringes. I still have one left, which I'm definitely going to be using right here. It comes with the light and it comes with the little mouth guard teeth thing. Still kind of dripping from this morning, but it's super easy. You just pop it in there and you apply the gel to the top and to the bottom. Put it in your mouth for 10 minutes and when you're done, it beeps. You don't have to press it to make it beep. It beeps on its own. So it automatically does a 10-minute. So it says on here all the steps, which are freaking easy on here. I just explained them all to you. It says first brush your teeth, which is really good to have this day and night toothpaste just so you can, you know, use all the same kind of products. And during this, it just says limit the intake of dark colored food, beverages such as red wine, coffee, and tea before and after application. So it says daily use is recommended for best results. So I used it for 6 days because on this card right here that it comes with, it says day 1 and day 6. So I'm going to be showing you guys all my clips from day 1 to day 6. And I believe on day 1 I started on number 2. Okay guys, I'm about to try my HiSmile for the first time. I'm excited. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. The lighting is a little bit yellow in the bathroom. But we're just going to go ahead and get started. Day 1 of HiSmile. Alright, here I am thinking. That's my goal. That's where I'm at. Day number 3 with HiSmile. It looks like it's doing its job. So I'm just about to pop it in, leave it in for 10 minutes. The teeth are looking white. So I'm about to go to the gym, but I am gonna do my 5th day of HiSmile. Guys, like, this stuff is amazing. I can't even explain how good it really works. My teeth are so white. They are not sensitive at all in any way, shape, or form. I've already got my gel on there and I'm about to do it for another 10 minutes. Sometimes I leave it on for longer, but guys, I'm obsessed. And day 6. I am definitely on shade 1 and I probably exceed. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys can see my teeth. I'm definitely, I think, past the 1. So there is 1. I feel like I'm definitely whiter than the 1. So I feel like I'm definitely whiter than the 1, which really made me so happy that I could actually see results. And actually after the first time, I didn't feel like I got results, but that was probably because it was my first time. I feel like I got more results while using the toothpaste that it came with, if that makes any sense. I feel like the activated charcoal really helped with this whole teeth whitening thing, but I could definitely see a huge difference in my teeth shading. Definitely at least 1 or 2 shades lighter. It's crazy. Okay, so my final thoughts on teeth whitening from HiSmile. I mean, honestly, if you guys are wanting to whiten your teeth, why not buy it? I mean, I don't understand why super rich people are using it, because I would probably buy veneers or like go to the dentist and just do like teeth bleaching or whatever. But it works. I mean, it worked for me. I mean, I'm poor. $56 is not bad at all. So I would definitely give it 2 thumbs up for myself. It worked for me. And if you guys are interested, I'll link it down in the description box below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!